Compound interest is the interest calculated on both original or principal value on the accumulated past interest. In compounding, the process are repeated until the end of the loan or investment term. It is also known as interest on interest. It is common for long-term investment, savings account, and many financial products. The formula for compound interest is S equal P times 1 plus I power n. S is equal to future value, P is initial value, I equal periodic interest rate, n equal to number of interest period.
Annuity. What is annuity? Annuity is an equal payment made at equal interval of time. Example, annuity is short-rented, insurance policy, installment payment, and etc. The term of annuity is the time from the beginning of the first payment interval to the end of the last payment interval. In annuity, there are two formulas that we need to know. First one is S equal to R times 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. Secondly is A equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I. S representing maturity value, A representing present value or initial value, R representing periodic payment, I representing periodic interest rate, and lastly N representing term of loan or investment.
You are planning to open up an investment account with an initial investment of 1,000 for your son, who just turned 7 years old this year. You have shortlisted 2 international banks near you, and the information is shown below. Diamond Bank 7.2% compounded quarterly, Gold Bank 6.7% compounded every 2 months. Calculate the total interest earned when your son turned 18 years old for each bank. First, we need to calculate S equal to P 1 plus I power n. For the Diamond Bank, our P is RM1000 and N equal to 11. I equal to 0.072 divided by 4. Our N is M multiplied plus equal, which is 4 multiplied 11 equal to 44. The answer is RM2192 and 31 cents. For the Gold Bank, I equal to 0.067 divided by 6. N is 6 multiplied by 11 equal to 66. The answer is RM2058.62 cents. The total interest is RM2058.62 minus 1,000. It is equal to RM1058 and 92 cents.
Which bank should you choose to invest your money based on your answer in A and justify your decision? So, I choose Diamond Bank. It is because the interest earned is more higher than Gold Bank, which is RM1192.31. Answer the following questions C depending on the bank you selected in B. After 3 years of investment, the bank changes the rate to 3.5% compounded every 4 months. Calculate the amount of your investment when your son turns 18 years old together with the total interest earned. So, the solution is we need to find a new P. Then, we need to calculate a new value of S using a new nominal rate. First, the value of P is RM1000 for 11 years. So, T equal to 11 years. Then, we calculate the value of S, which is P1 plus I power n. So, our P is RM1000. I equal to 0.018. N equal to M multiply T. So, our N is 12. Then, our T is 3. So, the last answer is RM1238.72. Next one is amount at the end of investment when 18 years old. First, we need to calculate using a new nominal rate. So, our K is 0.035 and M equal to 4. So, our new I is 7 per 600. Now, our N is 3 multiplied by 8 equal to 24. 8 because 11 years minus 3. Then, we need to calculate S. Our S now is P news multiplied by 1 plus 7 per 600 power of 24. Our answer is RM 1636.33. The last one is total interest earned, which is I equal to S minus P. So, the total interest earned is RM 1636.33 minus 1000 equal to 636.33.
Case study 2. A. Lavender Confinement Care co-founder Hajah Aisyah is a successful entrepreneur. She is about to retire. She had 2 options to consider. The first alternative is to take the 1,500,000 ringgit gratuity and invest the entire sum in an account that pay 1% compounded monthly. This way, she will receive 7,000 ringgit each month until the account is empty. Joining a private retirement plan is another option. Under this plan, she will get 7,000 ringgit every month for 25 years. Question A. 1 Roman. Which option should Haja Aisyah choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculation. In this question, we need to find out which option is the best for Haja Aisyah. So we need to use formula A in order to find amount of T in option 1. 1,500,000 equal to 7,000 times 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.01 over 12 bracket power of negative 12t over 0.01 over 1 over 12. So we're going to move 7,000 to the other side, so we will get the amount of 1,500 over 7 equal to 1 minus bracket 1,201 over 1,200 bracket power of negative 12t over 1 over 1,200. And then we're going to get amount of 5 over 28 equal to 1 minus bracket 1,201 over 1,200 bracket power of negative 12t. And then we move number 1 to other side. So it will be negative 23 over 28 equal to negative bracket 1,201 over 1,200 bracket power of negative 12t. And then because both sides is negative, so we're going to get positive. In order to find the amount of t, we need to use log. So log 23 over 28 equal to log 1,201 over 1,200 power of negative 12t. And then it will be log 23 over 28 equal to negative 12t log 1,201 over 1,200. And then we move to log and solve it. We will get the amount of negative 236.15069 equal to negative 12t. And then we move negative 12 to the other side, so t will be more. T equal to 19.679. This means t equal to 20 years. For option 2, we already know amount of t, which is 25. So we just calculate it. Bracket 25 times 12 plus bracket times 7,000. So the amount we will get is 1,100,000 ringgit. So in my opinion, Haja Aisyah should choose option 2, the private retirement plan, because it provides more total benefit, which is 1,100,000 ringgit. Total benefit which is 2,100,000 ringgit for longer period 25 years, as compared to the option 1, which only goes for 20 years with lesser benefit.
Moving on to the second question. Question B. Haja Aisyah is considering purchasing a new car for her son using an installment plan with 20% down payment followed by 60 equal monthly payment after getting her graduating money. She expects the car cost around 75,000 with an interest rate of 5.05% compounded monthly. The first question is calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. To find the answer, we need to use formula S equal to R multiply 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I. So first thing first, we need to find the new S. The cost of the car need to minus 8% of the down payment. So RM 75,000 times 20% equal to 15,000. Then RM 75,000 minus RM 15,000 equal to 60,000. So we get RM 60,000 for the new S. So using this formula, we have 60,000 equal to R multiply 1 plus 0.0505 over 12 power 60 minus 1 over 0.0505 over 12. Then we get 60,000 equal R multiply 68.0929. So for R, we got R equal to 881.15. The answer for monthly payment is RM 881.15. Next is to find interest charge. We use I equal to S minus NR. So we get 60,000 minus 60 times 881.15 equal to 7,131. So the interest charge is RM 7,131. The second question is, if she wants to settle off the loan immediately after paying for 3 years, how much additional does she have to make and how much interest is paid? First of all, we need to find a value of n. So 60 over 12 equal to 5 years. 5 years minus with 3 years equal to 2 years. Then we need to change years to months. So 2 times 12 equal to 24 months. Next, we use formula A equal R multiple 1 minus 1 plus I power negative n over I. So we have A24 equal to 881.15 multiple 1 minus 1 plus 0.0505 over 12 power negative 24 over 0.0505 over 12. Then we got A24 equal to RM 20,074.60. That's the additional amount he has to make. Then, to find the interest, we need to use formula I equal to NR minus A. So we have 24 times 8, 181.15 minus 20,074.60 equal to 1,073. So, the interest paid is RM 1,073.
Question B, 3 Romans. If she had not paid her first 4 monthly payment, how much should she pay on his... Question B, 3 Romans. If she had not paid her first 4 monthly payment, how much should she pay on his first payment to settle all outstanding errors? For this question, we're going to use formula S. So S equal to 881.15 times 1 plus 0.0505 over 12 power of 5 minus 1 over 0.0505 over 12. So the amount we will get is 4,442.99 cents.